This is Aurovazil, my last resort. Something invisible is stalking my tanks, and if this treatment fails, I'm going to lose them all. Look at these 25-day-old L144 fry in the hatchery. Yesterday they were thriving. Today they are battling a deadly bloat. Their bellies are swollen, struggling to breathe. It all started after a massive 70% water change. I suspect a hidden enemy came through the tap chlorine. It wiped out my beneficial bacteria instantly, causing a silent disaster and a deadly ammonia spike. The adults sensed the danger and refused to eat, but the fry in the hatchery had no such instinct. They gorged on protein while the water was toxic, triggering a fatal internal infection. Now, the Aurovazil treatment begins. Is it a lifesaver, or is it already too late? Stay tuned for the results. I'm crushing 1/4 of an Aurovazil tablet into a fine powder. In this fragile state, precision is everything. This is the moment of truth for my fry. Next, I'm crushing a spirulina tablet to act as a carrier. Mixing the Aurovazil with their favorite food is the only way to ensure these bloated fry actually ingest the medicine. I'm adding just a tiny bit of water, not too much. We need a thick, concentrated paste so the treatment stays potent and targeted right where it's needed most. Now the critical part mixing. I'm adding water carefully to reach the perfect consistency. It shouldn't be dry or too liquid, but a moist, sticky paste. Once the texture is right, I add the crushed 1/4 Aurovazil tablet. I'm mixing it thoroughly to ensure the medicine is perfectly combined with the food. Every bite must count if we want to beat this infection. Now, I'm spreading the medicated paste onto a stone and letting it dry for a moment. This creates a feeding station that won't dissolve instantly, forcing the fry to graze directly on the medicine. Day 1 of the treatment. The bloating's at its peak, and every breath is a struggle. Their bodies are stretched to the absolute limit. It's now or never for these fry. Day 2, and there's a glimmer of hope. The swelling is finally starting to go down. We're not out of the woods yet, but the Aurovazil is clearly working. Day 3, and they're definitely looking better. The swelling is decreased, but they're not back to normal yet. The recovery continues. Day 4, and they look much better. We've lost 2 so far, but the rest are fighting hard. The Aurovazil is definitely saving them. Day 5, and the bloat is finally gone. They look clear, but I'm doing 1 more day of treatment just to be absolutely sure. After 6 days of treatment, the fry are cured. We've had a total of 4 losses, meaning 98 out of 102 survived this battle. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips on keeping your fish healthy.